This next craft idea is going to show you how to take simple items from the Dollar Tree and make a fun, cute holiday wall hanging. I started with a pre-made ornament decoration. Took a 8x10" canvas, used some greens that I found on a decorative stem. I used some crystal glitter and artificial snow, as well as a little piece of twine. I also used plaster or spackle that can be found in the hardware section of the Dollar Tree. I'll be using the spackle to cover the canvas. I wanted to give the ornament a little bit more of a high-end look, so I decided to cut off the piece of red ribbon that came on it and instead replace it with a piece of twine. I chose to hot glue the twine to the ornament instead of tying a knot in it so that it would lay nice and flat. Next, decide the layout you want for your items. If they hang over the edge, just trim off the extra. Once you've decided the layout of your items, mark them with a pencil. The next step is to cover your canvas in the plaster or spackle. You can leave a blank space where your ornament will go and down where your greens will go. Cover the edges of the canvas as well. While the plaster is still wet, you're going to want to sprinkle the artificial snow all over it. Make sure to coat all of the plaster in the snow. We're going for a fluffy snow look for the background, so you want to make sure you cover all of the plaster. Then, after you've covered it with snow, sprinkle on some crystal glitter. This will help to give it a real shine. Pat it all down into place into the wet plaster. And don't forget to add some to the sides. Shake off any extra loose glitter and snow. Set your canvas aside to dry. Once the plaster has fully dried, you can hot glue on your items. The snow and the glitter in the background give it a great shine. This makes for a cute, simple holiday decoration.